Afternoon guys, it's James from Advanced In-Car Tech. Today we've been working on this amazing and beautiful 2016 BMW M4. This is one hell of a beast of a car and had lots of mods done, so rightfully so, the owner wanted to protect it, so we fitted a ghost immobiliser on here. So we're just going to run through what we've done and also show it how it works, so if you've got a car like this you can get in touch and protect your assets and your car from leaving the forecourt or your driveway. So I'll put the ignition on. Okay, so for demo purposes we've set it up for one of the buttons on here, which I'm going to show you. So I've turned the ignition on. We're going to press this button 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. We're going to wait for the indicators to say that, there you go, it's accepted the code. We then start the engine. Now, I don't know if you can hear that, apart from the dash cam starting up there. This is pretty meaty bit of car. So, now the engine is running, and if this hadn't been accepted properly, the code, as soon as we put it into drive, the engine would stall, but I'll show you that in a second. So now we're in drive, we can drive away, no problem. So let me turn it off. Okay, and then press the button. Let's pretend to get out, no problem at all. Okay, let's just count to 5, make sure the system's rearmed itself. Now, even though I've got the keys, let's say I've just broken in and stolen them, or taken them out of someone's pocket, whatever, like so. I've got the keys. I'm going to start the engine. Okay, engine starts. You're thinking, well, that's a bit strange. Well, here's the clever bit. So, engine started. This is simple. I'm going to steal this, pop it into drive. I'm not going anywhere. As soon as you put the gear into drive, you cannot go anywhere. The engine stalls, that's it. So I now enter my code, wait for my indication to say that I've accepted it. I'm going to turn off and cycle my ignition. I'm going to get back in. I'm going to start my ignition. 1, 2, 3, 4. Got my indicator. Okay, there you go, we're off. So this is a 2016 BMW M4, great bit of kit. If you've got one of these and if you've got a car like this and you want to protect it, then please get in touch with us, because the Ghost is absolutely fantastic for saving your car from even going anywhere unless they've got a low loader. So get in touch. It's www.advanced-incar.co.uk, and as usual, thanks for watching and following.